Hey everybody, I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to hopefully fix my maple trees that are being choked to death. Okay, so these are maple trees. They were planted at the exact same time, and this one's not doing well. So come to find out, after having an arborist come over, it is being girdled. It's being choked to death by its own root. I'm going to quickly show you what I'm talking about here. That the roots are kind of like, it's choking. So this root here should come straight out here, and instead it's wrapping around this tree and choking it. So then the water can't come up. Same with this one. This one's actually choking it. So we're going to take that out here in just a little bit. This one's not so much because it is, but this is actually kind of coming this direction, and it should come this way. This one right here, you can see where this bark is being choked to death right here. So we're going to get that out of there. And if I come over to the other one, you're going to see how it's being choked, but this doesn't look that bad. You're like, that's all right. Well, if I come over here to this tree, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Lydia, my helper. So this one is severely being choked. We've got one coming this way, which is okay, but it's being choked by this one. Look at this, it's coming all the way this way. So we're going to cut this one out here and there. And then over here, you can see that these are being crossed. And this one here needs to come out because it's starting, and you can see this whole root right here. Look at how that's choking that tree. It's like grasping around it. And so we need to cut that out so it doesn't keep hurting, because it's choking it so much, it's causing this bark to rip right down the center. So anyway, neither one of these trees is actually in really good shape, and we're going to try to save it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start small. But if you can see, come up here, we're going to get all these stones out of here. This right here is just the first one we're going to cut out of here. It's not going to hurt it in any way, shape, or form. It goes up underneath here, so we're going to cut this out first, because it is definitely not helping in any way, shape, or form. Okay, there's that side. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this here. Maybe if I can get in there in the right way. Okay, so we choked that. That's not going to choke that out anymore. This one is not really choking it out either anymore, because we just killed that. Yeah, maybe. So we didn't even have to do anything special on that one. So the next one we're going to try to do is this one. We're going to try to get this out of here. Same with this, and same with this. We're going to try to see if we can solve that problem there next. So.
That's it?
Almost. It's choking it.
Definitely smell it.
Yeah, you can definitely smell that burning, can't you? That's crazy.
This is what was choking it.
Yeah. Same with this right here. We're going to cut this one off. Maybe.
This?
See how that was wrapped right around that sucker?
Right there.
I think we got some more right here that we might be able to get out of there. I don't know. Might not need to.
Right here?
So we're going to cut this off.
This?
Alright, so this one is kind of
Which
choking
one?
that off.
This one.
Yeah, see, it's choking this.
So we're gonna get that
We're going
out.
to get that out of there too.
It's scary. Oh!
Okay.
Isn't that great?
Yeah, that is great, right? Right? All right. So I didn't even have to get the saw out there, or the hammer. Now this one right here is doing okay, I think. That's kind of going straight down, but see, it's kind of crossing over this one.
So
this tree, the arborist said, is a very good possibility that it might just die, no matter what. And so this is kind of like a last ditch effort. We're gonna know pretty soon if it's gonna fix it or not fix it, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some more over here.
Okay. Where are we gonna go?
All right. Let's see. This one here is crossing over.
Okay, right here.
So this is where it's really. This is actually the healthiest part of the tree.
This is the
I'm
healthiest
gonna
part
zoom
of the
out
tree.
there a little bit more. This is the healthiest part of the tree, really. You can see where it's being choked right here. This is being choked big time.
Show it.
Where it's up here, you can see.
I can't. Okay.
See where that's being choked out? This root is coming right across there. So, yeah.
Yep.
Let's see where we're gonna cut this out here. All right, so this is the one we're gonna get rid of next because it's definitely choking it. I don't know if this is gonna be savable. I really don't know if it will be. But we're gonna try to cut it out of here and save that one. But I'm kind of thinking it's not gonna be salvageable.
Okay.
So we're gonna cut this out here. That's really in there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's like stuck.
Ah, my bit came off.
Oh my.
Let's pause that a second there. Yeah, I can tell it went right through because that's the dirt. So that's good.
Ow.
So now we're gonna come over here and do this side.
As you can see, we got a new blade.
Yep, we did get a new blade. Well, it's kind of a used blade,
Okay.
but it works for right now. That sucker's in there. Man.
Yeah, wait, what?
Holy cow, is it in there?
Check it out.
It's in there.
Now we're hammering it, and you don't want to hammer it down. And we're hauling it out. Sorry, neighbors.
It's in there. There we go.
Check it out.
Look at that.
Wow.
Die, you choker.
Die.
Crazy. It's trying to save itself and then choking itself out.
Okay, let's see. Oh, wow, that's thick.
That is. So let's try to see if we can cut this one section here. And get that.
Please don't get a new blade. You're vibrating.
Yeah. Oh, my battery's about to die. There we go. Yeah, see, my battery is just about to die.
Just about.
So I have to go get a different one there.
I can go get it.
Okay. As soon as we get this piece out, we'll...
Get a new blade. You were vibrating because that's how heavy duty this thing is.
Right.
It's loud. Especially when you're right by
There we go.
it.
Look
Yes.
at that.
Oh, what's happened?
What?
You just moved your hand off the
It was
blade.
hot.
Yeah. Is that hot?
It is.
How hot is it?
Well, that's not. The blade was hot.
Oh, no. Oh, that's hot right there.
Yeah, sure it is.
That's hot. And you can see the smoke gun.
Yeah.
Whenever you unleased
Burns.
it, the
Yeah.
smoke went. This is gonna fix our tree.
Well, we hope it will. There's no guarantee it will.
Yes, but we will try.
But we're gonna hopefully try.
Do it from the other side.
Do it from what side?
This side.
I don't think that's gonna do anything. I don't think so.
Try.
Okay, I'll try. If I can get in that groove where I was cutting, that would help.
We're gonna zoom in. Barely. Wait, let me check if I can. Is that a worm? That's a worm.
Like, you're taking my home away from me.
There was a worm. I don't like worms.
I'm sure
Hey,
there was a worm.
I hate worms.
Why?
I don't like worms.
Oh, this is going right underneath it.
Yeah, now we're gonna zoom back out. See how we're hi-yahing it.
I could have swore we got all the way through.
Nope, it's still down. Okay, stop. We're gonna look under it.
There we go.
Oh, wait, we got it.
Maybe.
Come on, Dad, you got this. Use your strength.
I don't have any strength.
You work in the gym.
I don't.
Don't work in it, but you know what I mean. Come on.
There we go.
Yes.
See, we gotta be careful. We gotta get this all the way out, otherwise it's gonna grow right back. We don't want that.
Okay, we're gonna use the thing. Yes.
Look at that. That's all we had to cut.
Okay, give it to me. This is a big thing. It's a big chunk of wood.
It is a big chunk of wood. It is. All right, so I think that's what we're gonna stop with today. What's that?
This is like wet.
Yeah. So we're gonna continue cutting, and we'll show you what we did after we're all done.
Bye.
All right, so Lydia and I, we have finished cutting up what we can. We decided to not do anything with this one right now. This one we cut out a whole big section that went all the way around this, and that I feel as if we're going to do a lot better. We didn't cut all the way this out, but it's a lot better. And then this one we couldn't get it out, so we just cut the growth of it there out. So we're going to see. Arborist is not super hopeful in either one of these because it wasn't pruned correctly, and it has multiple leaders. The leader that's here is kind of like an add-on leader. He thinks that this will fall eventually here, and it's going to leave that whole tree barren. So he thinks the tree itself is not healthy at all, and whether it being choked and not trimmed, that's where we are with it. So, and then this tree, I'll pause, see how much faster that was. So here we cut out this big section right there, and we cut out this here. I had trouble getting this one out, so I just left it. It's not gonna do anything else. So, and I also cut it here. I really wanted to get that all the way out, but I was struggling getting that out. So we're gonna see if that makes any difference. And if I killed the trees, then we're gonna kill them and be done, chop them up and be done. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. It is amazing what you can do with better Sawzall blades. I kept breaking them, so bought a whole bunch of new ones. Anyway, so that's it for this project. And you should check your trees if they are wilting at the top, not full like that tree is. If it's starting to turn early, that's a sign you got something wrong with your trees, and you should really get it looked at. In my case, it's girdled, and yeah, I wish I would have known those things like 10 years ago. Anyway, so that's me. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. Blooper time. Woohoo!
This is the drawing I've been making.
Oh yes, I see that. All right, we're out. Peace out.